This is a McAlpine MacFlash weather slate. It's commonly used with tilers and people doing roof repairs. This was commonly used as lead in a lead weather slate, which went through the roof, taking the soil and weatherproofing the soil entering the house. This is so lightweight, this is sort of taken over from any lead and is an ideal replacement for a weather slate in lead, which is deteriorated over a number of years. The advantage of this is it's very, very pliable in use and can be shaped over a wooden bat actually on a roof to retain the tile. It will also do 45 degrees on the roof, and it will also do a flatbed installation, and very, very easy and lightweight to work with. So that's the McAlpine MacFlash weather slate, commonly held with merchant stockists.